Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing close word and save work because changes to account settings require no open files. Next, verify which Microsoft account is signed into Office. This matters since OneDrive links to that identity. If you're on a company machine, make sure you have admin rights or contact IT, otherwise some options remain locked. Once done, open Word and go directly to the account area. This is where linked services like OneDrive are managed, and we'll remove it there. You navigate to File, then Account, and look under Connected Services because that's where OneDrive appears. Select the OneDrive entry and choose Remove or Sign Out. This severs Word's active link, so files stop auto-saving to the cloud. Make sure to confirm any prompts. This won't delete local copies. Once removed in Word, check Windows settings under Accounts Email and Accounts to unlink OneDrive at the OS level, and sign out there to prevent automatic reconnection. You finish by restarting Word to confirm the auto-save toggle and OneDrive references are gone, because changes often require a restart to take effect. If OneDrive still appears, clear cached Office credentials via Credential Manager and sign out from Office again. This removes stubborn tokens. Finally, if problems continue, run Office Repair or reinstall the OneDrive app and then remove it. This resolves deeper sync issues. One key tip: if files seem missing, check the local OneDrive folder before deleting anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.